Hello student. Today I am going to teach you about the Google app. There are so many apps which you don't know, and before I teach you how to do the instant messaging, you must know these apps on Google. As I teach you how to make the, for that you require the Gmail, and I have told you how to make the email. Just click this one. When you have an email, then you will get all these apps in your computer, which is by default come in Google site. First is search. Google Khata means Google account which you have already made on Google. Here you search best as you need to these days best phone for your tutorial. So search it. Then it will show you so many Samsungs, Oppo and so many. So here you will get the information about it and learn the configuration, learn the capacity of the phone, learn the color of the phone, learn the camera facility, learn the several things regarding to the phone which you need. These days Android phone are very essential for the tutorial, for the study, for the further use. So next is you have searched the phone. Now map. Map is the facility through which you get your home address. Suppose I am writing 122 Vivekanand Marg. This is my address. South Malaka, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Look at here. It's showing the 122 Vivekanand Marg. बस अब उनको मान लो अपने घर ही का पता चाहिए एंड आई राइट ऑटो डीजल्स पावर हब्स। वहाँ देखो ये आ रहा है ऑटो डीजल्स पावर हब उस समय के लिए बंद है। Actually, these days are locked down, so it is showing that it is closed. Then you can save this. जाना चाहती हूँ तारांकित स्थान नई सूची। यू कैन गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स। आपके फ़ोन पर भेजें, भेज देगा उस पर। ओके। और उसके बारे में आप फ़ोन पे भेज कर उसके बारे में जान सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं कि दिस इज़ द ऑटो डीजल्स पावर हब ऑन फेसबुक, ऑन ट्विटर। ये लिंक आ गया, इसको कॉपी कर लो और एक मैप जोड़ें और सेंड कर सकते हैं किसी को भी। आपके फ़ोन पर भेजें, अपने फ़ोन पे आ जाएगा और जाने। अपने डिवाइस को कनेक्ट करोगे तो उसके बारे में मिल जाएगा। यू वांट टू द पाथ फॉर दैट, अपनी शुरुआत जहाँ से करना है वहाँ से करो। मान लो किया प्रयाग स्टेशन, देन यू विल गेट प्रयाग स्टेशन से कहाँ पर कहाँ तक जाएगा। जॉर्ज टाउन, सिविल लाइंस, ऑटो डीजल्स कहाँ पे है ये बता देगा। खुसरो बाग के आगे है बता देगा, ये आ रहा लाइन। हाँ, इसको बड़ा करो जूम तो और अच्छे से दिखेगा। ये आ गया, ये देखो ऑटो डीजल। ये प्रयागराज चौक, कहाँ पे है सिविल लाइन, भोला हॉस्पिटल, पार्वती हॉस्पिटल, कौन कौन चीज आस पास में है। ठीक है। फिर आया बस से कितनी दूर है, प्रयाग जंक्शन से कितनी दूर है। फिर आया पैदल कितनी दूर चलोगे, तो बता देगा पैदल का। फिर फ्लाइट तो होगी नहीं, तो इस तरह से आपके बारे में बता देगा। नेक्स्ट है यूट्यूब। यूट्यूब तो ऑलरेडी हम बता चुके तुम लोगों को, रोज ही यूट्यूब पे रोज ही हम भेज रहे हैं अपना वीडियो। शो यू माई चैनल, देन go to the studio. This is my channel art. Okay, so here you will get this is the my video, see more. बच्चों तुम लोग ने मेल मर्ज बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा है, एंड इट इज इन कोर्स। एंड यूट्यूब में मेल मर्ज का वीडियो गया था, लेकिन बच्चों ने बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा है। This is my that video. You can run it. Here I will teach you how to run the Skype also. And this is another person's tutorial. When I will teach you, then I will tell you how to work on Skype.
Students, today I'm going to teach you
Look at here on Facebook, there 5 people are liking my video, and you people are not learning the video. You are not playing my video. So play and learn how to do the mail merge. Today I'm going to change the heading. Maybe you are not understanding what is the meaning of mail merge in Word. Here I am going to change the name of my video, so you come to know what is the meaning of mail merge. Mail merge means
Today I'm going to teach you again.
mail merge means send one letter to several people in mail merge by using Word. Clear? Here I have given my channel name through which you can go to the my channel and get all the information, all my videos. So click it and go to the place where you will get all and every video of mine. Clear?
Students, today I'm going to teach you again mailing step by step. Start mail merge. Press step by step.
Okay, I'm going out of
Here you will
way. So close it. Come to again on Google app. I show you YouTube. Now news. Here in news you will get the latest news, एंड टिड्डियों का हमला आजकल हो गया है, इससे बहुत दिक्कत हो गई है, उसके लिए रेमेडीज चल रही है। किसान लोग बहुत परेशान हैं, उनकी फसल को बहुत नुकसान पहुंच रहा है। जयपुर में टिड्डियों का अटैक, ठीक है। न्यूज़ होम कोरोना पे है। ये देखो कश्मीर में टला बड़ा आतंकी हमला, पुलवामा जैसी भी साजिश वक्त रहने पे डिफ्यूज की आईईडी। All these things, several news are there. If you want, you can see. Next, I am showing all these app because you people don't know and how to handle you don't know. So when I tell you, then you will able to use it on your phone. Then Gmail, already I have told you how to make the mail on Google. So need not to tell you again. Again, then next Meet, that will I will take a separate video. I make a separate video for that because I need some people who can talk to me on meeting, and for that I have to do the contact with all of you. So when you people want to meet me online, and whether you could able to meet me or not, let's see little bit. This way you can do the meeting with me as you see in the TV conferencing meeting. Same way you can talk to me. This is a very good facility of Google, which is totally free now. Before the Google was charging for that, but these days it is free. So take a benefit for that and do the Google meeting with me, and tell me by calling me ki when you people want to do the meeting with me. Next is contact. How many contacts you have? These people are sending me only the email. Send me a email when I told them to how to make a email, and so you people must make a email so I can call you on the meeting. Next is disk. This is very important and very good facility of Google, through which you can make a drive in which you send your information, which is very precious for you, and you can store it there. So use it. It's give the 15 GB, 1.2 GB I have used. By store you can recent क्या है इसमें, क्या आया recent, and shared क्या है, नो ट्रैश क्या किया, ये सारा कुछ इसमें शेयर विद मी, क्या क्या शेयर किया, रीसेंट दिखा दिया उसने। इस तरह से सारी चीज ग्रिड वाइज देख सकते हो उसको, लिस्ट वाइज इसको देख सकते हो। देन नेक्स्ट calendar, which I have already taught you on Outlook. Today I have set the time for discussion is 4:30 to 5:30. Who students want to meet me on meeting, then they can discuss about their problem on that time, 4:30 to 5:30. So please students, see my video and come on the meeting on 4:30 to 5:30. Then next is Anuvad. You can translate your information into Hindi or English or in any language Just now I'm writing student come on me for meeting in evening 4:30 to discuss about your query on video on my previous video. So it will convert it into the Hindi, or you can convert it into French, Arabic, Gujarati, बर्मी, बंगला, चीनी, जिस लैंग्वेज में चाहें उस लैंग्वेज में हम बदल सकते हैं. The next is come फोटो. जो फोटो आप मोबाइल पर जगह ना होने की वजह से नहीं सेव कर पाते हो, यू कैन सेंड दैट फोटो टू द ड्राइव. Here I have sent my channel photo to the drive, which I have made with so many efforts, because they have a template and they have a facility to do it according to their demands. So I have made the channel art. This is for you. It's coming. Look at here, all the students' photo which I have saved different time are stored here. Do you remember this? This is the photo which I have stored somewhere. Clear? So all videos, all photos, all things you can store here. Next is translation photo then DO. This is again the meeting facility, but for that you must have an account for that, and you can add the people in that, and then you can do the meeting with them. Suppose you call someone, then he will come there and you can do the meeting with him. Then for these type of thing I need your support, student or teachers, so I can do the meeting with all of you. Then Chrome has given a new facility which I have downloaded. You also download it. Here are the features, then extension, then enterprise. In extension you get several things. I downloaded the grid, glide shot, screenshot, add to Opera, so you can take a shot from that. Just now I'm not loading because it will interrupt my tutorial, and then it will make me a problem. I will do it later. You have to just say yes, install it. There are so many facility of extension. You can download it and use it. Screen capture facility, Vision for YouTube, save a Google Drive, bookmark cider. All these are the extension facility of Google. Go through it and find out which is useful for you. Then you download it and get it. These are the so many facility for you. They have extended so many things. Clear? Volume master, nobody will tell you all these things in detail. So come across it and use it. Then next is shopping, which also you cannot do because you have not a credit card, debit card, visa card, and or any other facility. If you have a Google Pay account, then you can do it. So leave it for the student. It is not. It is for the teachers or for the big person. So then next is documents. Which documents you are storing, it will show you, and it will also give the templates according to which you can do the work. The next is the spreadsheet. Again, I have not stored the spreadsheet, that is Excel. Then slideshow. I have sent you several slideshow, you know it. And then you get the ebooks regarding to your course. If you write here CBSC 10th IT 402 book and NSQF, then by through the BSc you will get the book to read. There are so many books that it not showing 402, so you go to the CBSC site, there you will get the IT 10th class CBSC book, IT 402 book, NSQF level 2. It's not giving, so you go to the CBSC site, there you will get the book, but it was the old version. According to the new course, you won't get it. For that, I have taught you different topic which are included just now in a CBSC course. So you learn that videos and make a notes for exam. And then next is books. Then you can make your blogs also. What is a blog? Blog is a site, personal website which you can make for you, and you can promote your things through the blogs. I have made one, but they are charging the for that, so I have left that just now. I can't make it publish. All these things are there. States you have made. I have made nothing here. Then comment earnings from blog, you can do the earning also. Then pages, there is no page. Layout means how you design. And then theme, you can select the theme, customize your theme. You can customize your theme. Educational site, IT here. Take the background, I have taken this one. Remove image, use default background, change the color theme, apply to blog. And then advanced में क्या है, कौन सा I choose Times New Roman, apply to blog. Then gadgets, show me, configure, follow my email. So it will help you. This way you can make your blog, and if you make, then please tell me. And there are so many facilities, it will tell you each and everything. You can do it. Press view blog. Then I have inserted this background. There is nothing here. You can add something. Working person working on computer since 1989, developed several software for different person. Interest to develop website. Visit profile. If you want to see the profile, then you can come here and you will look at what I was doing from 1989. So edit profile. There you go. You can change your profile. Okay. I will make tomorrow today. Then I will tell you. I will take a single chapter for that, and then you will come to know how to make blog, how to do the meeting, how to do DO. Then Hangout is the facility which replaces the Google Talk. In Google Talk, you can talk only some few peoples, but from Hangouts, you can talk to the several people. You can do video call, you can do phone call, you can send message. Here only the principal ma'am is there, so I can't do that. You can new conversation, new group, principal MRS, new group is MRS. I have to make the group also. There is two people, Sonali, caller, Sonali MRS, Pat, Utkarsh, Satin, Kiran, Sonali, carrier rates may text me to code in this number. Call me this number to tell me the code. अब कोड वोड तो अभी हमने बनाया नहीं है, so leave it. And go back. I told you I will tell all these topics separately to you. Then next, go to the hangouts तक हुआ था ना. Keep is the place where you can change your background in dark mode. Here you can do the setting, enable dark theme, or you can make a label. You can do several things. Change color. I have chosen blue. Then collaborator, रतन अग्रवाल IT informer person और email to share with, जिसको भेजना है उसका नाम लिखना पड़ेगा. Here add it. No collaborator is there. This way you can make a card and you can send it. Then add image. Coronavirus. Take this one. Open. Clear. This way you can collaborators and pin your important notes in the top. Got it. Then person to email, then save it. Then here you can add the image. You can remind me later, today, tomorrow. Remind me. Title here. IT informer arrange meeting at 4:30. Okay. Then add label, add drawing, make copy, show checkbox, grab image text, make a copy, note created, close. Okay. And informer arrange meeting at 4:30. Then you can collaborate. This way you can make a card and copy to Google. Show checkbox. This is the add drawing, add label, delete note. You can delete the note, you can send the note. Clear? Edit, if you want to edit, then you can edit, and you want to delete, then you can delete it. This way you can make a note. List view, this is the list view. Then setting, send feedback, help, app download, keyboard shortcut. It's giving a shortcut of the key. Setting, डार्क मोड कौन सा है, कैसे क्या करना है. There are so many facility you can use to make your note. So next is blog, hangout, keep. Jamboard is the place where you have to make a place. You don't have jam yet. Tap to create one. You plus tap करोगे यहाँ से. It will give you a place where you can make your own. Eraser, pen, sticky note. Just press it. Here you can write. Winnet is the place where you can learn computer with fun. Clear? Change it. Blue, pink, orange. Which color you want? You select this one, and none, yellow. Save. And then background, ये हो गया. Clear frame, this is a sticky note in which you add a drag a image here. Select a file from your device. Suppose I have taken this one. So it will give you a you can increase photo, you can decrease photo. Here it will tell duplicate or delete. I don't want to duplicate it. So you can do this. And then this is a laser. Now share it. Change link share option. Click anywhere in the get link box. Got it. Then change anywhere with link. With a link anywhere in internet with this can. Here view editor. Get link. This is the link. Copy the link and anywhere with link. Done. I have copied the link, so I will save it here. Control V. The link is come. I will share it to you. You will get it. Link to share. Save. Then come back. Rename download as PDF. Save frame as image. Save. Then this is a jam one. Make a copy, update, send feedback. If you want to send the feedback, then you can send. So come out from this, keep, and go to another app. keep के बाद क्या आया, Jamboard हो गया. Class you cannot do because for that you need the enrollment again. Then earth, this is very interesting. You can get any place in the earth by using this software. The Google has made so many good apps for you. Please today you download this video and get the each and everything with the help of this tutorial regarding to the Google apps. Here look at, select the drag and drop to enter street view. Here this one, fly to your location, then 2D maps, then click to reset view, double click to swap for ग्लोब. ग्लोब पे जाना है कि ये व्यू देखना है, कैसे क्या करना है ये बता रहा है. Here search, views, project, map style, photo, setting, feedback, help. If you want anything you will get. Suppose you want to search a place, Qutub Minar. So it will come in India and it will show you the Qutub Minar. Do you want to see it? It is showing that this position. Clear? Here look at Qutub Minar. It is destroyed somehow. Then next it will tell around of Qutub Minar. Clear? You can search that place, a place which you cannot go in reality. You can see here. I am searching all this thing like that. Clear? And then Voyager. Cloud from space. How you will see from space. It will show you all these things. Then Morning Glory Pool is a hot spring in the Yellowstone Upper Grace Basin of the United States. देखो दिखा रहा है ऐसा पूल जो हॉट स्प्रिंग है, येलोस्टोन है. And this is showing the place. You can fly there. कौन सा ग्लेशियर है, कौन सा क्या चीज़ है, सब दिखा रहा है. ये सब अपने प्रोजेक्ट में दे सकते हो. Then make a new project, create beautiful presentation by making place on the globe. Now create it. Create project in Google Drive. Create Google Drive में बना लो. New feature. This is a new feature. Set to add place. Search to add place. मान लो तुमको लेना है ताज महल. It will show you a Taj Mahal. Clear? You can go there. It's showing Taj Mahal. How is the premises of Taj Mahal? How Taj Mahal is looking? How is the fountain? How is the other beauties of the Taj Mahal? You can see that this. Look at there. This is a Taj Mahal. You might be going the trip from a school. So here you can see all these things. So it is very interesting, student, and almost all the session is complete today. So come here again and see what rest is left. I have finished almost all the apps. Then Sangrah. This is a store where you can store your files, as I have stored so many. Okay. Then what else left? Art and culture. This is a art and culture app where you get a different Apple art, pocket gallery, art transfer, art selfie. Then this is the recreate. You can create your art gallery, and you can create your art gallery. There are so many. So today I am finishing my tutorial. I have almost everything I told you in this session. Please try all these and get the information of Google. Google have given you so many facility to learn and use for your project. Thank you, student. Download this video and learn all about the apps of Google, and please create your email for further